pretty wet on this?
Huh?
You get wet on this? Pretty wet?
No, not really.
First time I've been on it. So
Oh yeah? You're probably gonna get wet.
Of course, yeah, of course.
The last time I was on it was like 10 years ago.
It's fine. It's a hot day, so it's okay.
I just don't want to be the one that's like soaking wet.
Right,
I want
exactly.
You guys to do that. All right, all right. Don't jinx it.
Oh, whoa. Whoa, you okay? Oh my God. You almost flew out of the raft.
It's on.
I guess that's why we have seatbelts, right? You would have been swimming right now.
They would have launched me out of here.
I didn't even feel that.
You didn't feel that? I felt that.
I didn't feel that either.
Okay, hold on now. Axel, I don't want to hear that out of your mouth.
Oh, shiitake mushroom. Oh no.
I don't like going backwards like this.
Nope.
No. I'm not talking. Oh no, there would have been here.
Nothing about this looks good.
That's a language.
Gotta get whiplash on this thing.
I'm gonna get so living. I'm so.
It wasn't too bad. I got lucky on that one.
I'm so
You're the only one who didn't get
He
wet.
got a good, yeah.
Look at you, they get wet. Look at how bad. We got the most sun.
All right, that was awesome.
That was fun.